Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm making videos for all the starting YouTubers like me who want to start their YouTube channel with very low budget and very low resources. So in my previous video I showed you how to make a green screen at very low budget of $1 and how to use the green screen. If you haven't watched that video, then the video is up here in the I button. Please watch that video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to chroma key your video and remove your background. Since this video is for all the starting YouTubers, so I am equally aware about the fact that you might have a PC with you or you might not have any PC to edit your videos. So I will be showing you how to chroma key your video in both PC and in mobile. So in PC we will be using Adobe Premiere Pro and in mobile we will be using Kinemaster. So without any delay, let's get into the video. So now here we are in Kinemaster. So in Kinemaster we will select the aspect ratio here 16:9 for YouTube. So I will select this, and now what you need to do is you want to select the image that you want to use as your background. So I have an image in download folder, so I will select this one. So this image will be my background image. So extend it until the length of your video. So once you have imported your image which you want to use as your background, now I want to add another layer, and in that layer I want to add the video which I want to edit. So I will add a video, and this will be my video. So here I have my video over here. So I will expand this video, zoom in till the point where I will be using this video. So for now we will edit only this part. So once you have done all of these things, then you click on this video part, and here over here you will see chroma key. So what you need to do is you need to enable chroma key. So once you enable chroma key, you will see my background is changed immediately. So I didn't have to do anything much, but here you can see the wrinkled part of my screen are shown in my background, and the video look good, but it is not looking perfect. So let's edit some more. So what we need to do is we have three options: key color, detail curve, and show mask. So in key color I don't suggest you to change anything, so let it be in default. So I want you to click on this show mask. So here once you click on show mask, we will see this here. In my video, the subject, which is me, is looking white and the background is black. So I want you to change the subject into completely white and the background to completely black. So you go to the detail curve and try to play with this key. So as I pull this key down, you will see my background is being dark. So pull it down until it's completely black. So here you can see my background is completely black right now, but still the subject of this video is not completely white. So pull this upper key and try to make it completely white. So once you move this video, you will see it's pretty fine right now. So after that you try to play with this as well. Here you can see if I move it down, it will ruin my video. So I will try to move it 27, and let's try to manage it up to over here. So I think it will work. So once you have done this, you can remove this mask, and here you can see my background is changed completely and it is looking pretty beautiful. So once you do this, so here you can see my background is changed completely from green screen to this beautiful screen, and it looks very professional. So in this way you can change the background of your video by using Kinemaster. So right now we are inside Adobe Premiere Pro, and at first what we will do is import the video which you want to edit. So this is my video, and now we will import the picture which we want to use as our video background. So I will import my picture as well. So this will be the picture. So now at first what we will do is we create a sequence. So we will create a sequence, and this is my sequence setting. So press OK. So at first we will move our image in our timeline. So this will be our image, and here you can see the size of our image is smaller. So we will set it to the frame size. Now it will cover our screen, and I will extend it somewhat over here. So now we will import our video sequence, and we will keep our video sequence above this image. So now here you can see our video image is over here. Now extend your sequence till the length of video, and for now I will remove my audio. So after this step you will go to effects, and in effects search for ultra key. Now in ultra key you will see this and move it in your video layer. So I applied ultra key in my video layer. Now after doing that we will go to our effect control, and in effect control you will see over here, and I will close this for now. You will see an ultra key. So select this pen tool, and in key color now click this pen tool over here, and you will see our key color is green over here. So our background is changed for now, but you will see that it is not looking very good. So we need to edit some more. So we will go on matte generation, and in matte generation we need to change some of these so that the background look good. So in output select it to alpha channel. Now what we are going to do is change the subject of this video, which is me. So we will change the subject of our video to completely white and the background to completely black. So to do so, let's change transparency. So here let me bring down the transparency. So bringing down the transparency up to 29 is good. So you can input value over here 27, or you can just keep your mouse and then you scroll sidewise. And now we will change our highlight. So changing highlight is not giving you much of difference, so I will keep it as default, and you can press over here and it will set your default value. So we will change our shadow now. So let's reduce our shadow. Now let's change this shadow value. So we will bring it down over here, and here you can see as I keep it to 0, and you will see my background is getting quite black. So we will change our tolerance as well. So in tolerance, so if I make it up to 100, you can see my background is changing black. So now we will change with our pedestal value, and in pedestal I want to increase it. So as I move it up to 100, so here you can see our subject is completely white and the background is completely black. So now let's change our output to composite, and here you can see my background is completely changed and it looks very good. So now if we play our video, here you can see our background is completely changed and all those errors are fixed and it looks very professional. So in this way you can change your background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you have any other questions or any other ideas regarding this video, then please comment down your questions and your ideas in this video, so that we form a strong learning platform in our channel. So before ending this video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you once again with another video.